SUPERmesh technique. So in this kind of circuit, can we apply KVL directly to the mesh 1? The answer is no. Can we apply KVL to mesh 2? The answer again is no. The reason is that we do not know the voltage across this 2 ampere source. So we use SUPERmesh technique. SUPERmesh technique is applicable if we have current source dependent or independent connecting two adjacent meshes. We will ignore the part containing the current source and we will combine the two meshes into one singular mesh. After that, we will apply KVL to the bigger mesh. So minus to plus, that is plus 20. Current through 2 ohm source is I1, therefore it will be minus 2I1. The current through 1 ohm will be I2, therefore voltage will be minus I2. Then plus to minus, that is minus 10. Then the current through 4 ampere will be I2, that is plus to minus, that is minus 4I2. And current through 3 ohm resistor will be I1, therefore the voltage is minus 3I1 and the net sum is equal to 0. From here, the first equation comes out to be this. The second equation can be obtained by using this part, and if we consider I2 as the dominant current, so the net current flowing will be in this direction, which will be simply I2 minus I1, and which will be simply equal to the current source value, that is 2 ampere. So now we have two equations. We can solve these two equations to find out the value of I1 and I2.